Leos and Sagittarius. Let's see what is it that you can expect in the month of June. Let's see what is coming in for you for the month of June. Okay. I think there's a lot of action coming the way cards are being shuffled. Okay. Ace of Pentacles. Wow, there is a new beginning. Yes. There is work opportunity coming. If you're looking for a new work opportunity, there is something new that is happening in terms of money, in terms of career, in terms of stability. There's something new happening. Okay. Nine of Cups, live in the constant gratitude, have a lot of gratitude. Okay, this is also something which is a wish fulfillment with Nine of Cups. This is something that you would be proud of. This is something that you would probably show off to people, that this is what I've achieved, this is something new that I'm doing and I have achieved. And you have worked hard for it. With King of Swords, you strategized it, you worked hard for it, and now is the time to reap the results of your hard work. Okay, we have Five of Cups here. Okay, you've healed from the past, I feel, and I have um the star at the bottom of the deck. I feel that you had to go through a lot of emotional loss in the past, and it was very difficult for you to see positive in that area, but you've done the work. You've got yourself out of that area, and there's a new start, a new positive start. Empress. Oh, this is such an Three of Pentacles. Wow, you're attracting wealth now. You've done a lot of inner work. You have Empress is so abundant. Like I'm loss of words. There is a new start coming in because you've started nurturing yourself and valuing yourself. Empress is also saying if there is a new business happening, a work from home happening for you, it is saying a lot of abundance is happening, and you don't have to chase wealth anymore. It's coming to you. Love is coming to you. Everything is coming to you. So a wonderful start for June. Have a wonderful time. I will see you next reading. Bye.